Goth vs Angel makeup. Let's do it. Starting off with brows, I'm just going to brush them up with some brow gel. I'm doing the angel side first and I'm going to make the end of the brow come down. And then I'm only filling in the end because I don't want this brow to be too dark. The Goth side, I'm doing the end of the brow going kind of out and up at an angle. Almost like a spot brow, joining the top. And I do want this side to be a lot darker than the angel side. I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. Waterline, I'm going to put white on the angel side. For the Goth side, I'm putting black in my waterline. For eyeshadow on the angel side, I'm doing white on my inner corner. Then I'm blending a warm light brown shade on the outer corner. And I'm kind of rounding it at the edges rather than going like straight out like a wing. Then I'm adding some glitter eyeshadow right here on top of that white. For the Goth side, I've gone in with black eyeshadow and I'm just doing like a smoky eye. And then just blending out the edges with like a brown eyeshadow. I've added a wing liner to the Goth side as well. My goodness, the brow and the wing are so sharp it could probably slice through a watermelon. For lashes, I'm thinking for the Goth side, big and fluffy, and for the angel side, short and wispy. Stick the angel side on first. Make sure it's nice and secure. Oh, it stuck to my tweezers. Oh no, it's not. Okay, panic over. I got the lash on. The fluffier lashes on. I've added concealer on both sides already. Now I'm just adding some blush to the angel side. Guys, I forgot to press record, but I did add some contour to the Goth side. No blush. And pink on the angel side. Dark red vampy shade on the Goth side. I actually really like this shade. I decided to add some gloss to the angel side. If I'm going to add some details, so for the Goth side, we're going to do a lip ring. And it is a fake lip ring, guys. I have to use tweezers because I literally cannot do anything with these nails. They're too long for me, I'm not used to it. So our lip ring's on. It's just a nose ring I've stretched out. And then for the angel side, I'm adding these little gems. And one right on my inner corner. Bling bling baby. Let me fix my hair, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the complete look. Ignore this spot right here. I've been having a lot of breakouts lately. Be honest guys, what do you think? Which side is your favourite? The Goth side or the angel side? Fun fact, I did actually used to have my lip pierced, but I think it was on this side. I went through a phase where I was obsessed with piercings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.